Hi, I'm Pamela. This is my kitchen where I put value-added produce to the test, and today, artichokes just got easier. Now this is Ocean Mist Farms' new microwaveable artichokes, and there's 2 in the package. It's in this steam bag, and they're clean, trimmed, and ready to cook. And let me tell you, we eat a lot of artichokes in this family, but for me, prepping artichokes, it's kind of like prepping for surgery. So they're going to start hitting stores in the next couple of weeks, in mid-April. And you cut the top off. You take care and not puncture the bag, because you need the bag to be all the way sealed. Open her up in there, and they're trimmed and ready to go. You just pull the petals open. So I opened up the petals, and I put some olive oil, some lemon juice, and some seasoned salt in there. Make sure that it is all sealed up and it's ready to go in the microwave. Into the microwave they go. It says 6 to 7.5 minutes, so here we go. Alright, I think they're done. Watch out for the steam. Oh, look at that, they bloomed like a little flower. Well, artichokes are flowers. Not like a flower, they are a flower. Okay, so it says they're done if there's no resistance with a knife. Now you gotta wait 2 minutes so they're not molten hot, I assume. Ta-da! I think this is the traditional method for everyone else, right? Just pull the leaves off and tasty goodness. All right. Wow. That's pretty good. So there you have it, a perfectly steamed artichoke. So this process was monumentally easier than the way I normally do it, and that makes artichokes an impulse buy for me. And that makes it a 9 out of 10 on the Squeezy Fruit scale. If you know something I should try, send me an email at pamela.r@produceretailer.com.